Good morning, students. Welcome back to Max class. Students, today we are going to learn about exponents, exercise 2b problems. Students, see here, sixth main, first one. See here, fifth root of x to the power of 20 into y to the power of minus 10 into z to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 3 divided by y to the power of 3. This is the question. See here see there is a one formula nth root of a equal to see a to the power of 1 by n. See here a, this a, here power no one is not there means 1, that's why here this power 1 divided by here in this root n is there, that's why here it will come a to the power of 1 by n. So nth root of a to the power of 1 by n. See here same this like way here, same this formula here we have to apply. See here x to square root removing x to the power of 20 into y to the power of minus 10 into z to the power of 5 whole to the power of 1 by 5. This formula apply here. Divided by x to the power of 3 divided by y to the power of 3. Next see here a to the power of m whole to the power of n formula a to the power of m into n. This formula we have to apply here. See here x to the power of 20 into 1 divided by 5 into this 1 by 5 belongs to whole, that's why y to the power of minus 10 into 1 by 5 into z to the power of 5 into 1 by 5 divided by x cube by y cube. See here 5 1 ja 5 4 ja cancellation is possible. Next 5 1 ja 5 2 ja cancellation is possible. Next 5 5 cancel, that's why here see remaining x to the power of 4 into y to the power of minus 2 into z to the power of 1. 5 5 cancel means 1 is there. Here see here divided by means by whole. Next x cube by y cube. Next see here x to the power of 4 into y to the power of minus 2 into z to the power of 1 into see here x cube by y cube, it will come reciprocal means y cube by x cube. Next see x to the power of 4 into y to the power of minus 2. Here base same means powers are added, that's why here y to the power of minus 2 plus 3. Next z into this x to the power of 3, it will go numerator, plus 3 will become minus 3, that's why x to the power of 4 into y to the power of minus 2 plus 3 into z into x to the power of minus 3. So next x to the power of 4 into y to the power of 1 into z to the power of 1 into x to the power of minus 3. See next here x base same base powers are added, that's why x to the power of 4 minus 3, y to the power of 1 means y, z to the power of 1 means z. Now see again x to the power of 4 minus 3 1. So now x to the power of 1 means x. So x y z is the answer. Next sixth main second one. See here 256 into a to the power of 16 divided by 81 into b to the power of 4 whole to the power of minus 3 by 4. See here 256 we can write, see here 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 48, 48 4 ja 256. See how many 4's is there here, 4 4's is there, that's why we can write 4 to the power of 4. So 256 we can write 4 to the power of 4. So that's why 256 replace we can write 4 to the power of 4 into a to the power of 16 same divided by again see 81 we can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. See 3 to the power of 4 4 times multiply. So 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. So 81 we can write 3 to the power of 4, that's why 81 replace we can apply 3 to the power of 4 into b to the power of 4. See here this minus 3 by 4 belongs to numerator and denominator also. So here we can apply a to the power of m whole to the power of n formula. See here 4 to the power of 4 into minus 3 by 4 into a to the power of 16 into minus 3 by 4 divided by 3 to the power of 4 into minus 3 by 4 into b to the power of 4 into minus 3 by 4. See here this minus 3 by 4 belongs to whole denominator and numerator also. See here next which one cancellation here. See here this 4 cancel. 4 to the power of minus 3 came into next 4 1 ja 4 4 ja cancellation. Next a to the power of 4 3 ja minus 12 plus into minus minus 4 3 ja 12 divided by here 4 cancel 3 to the power of minus 3 into see here 4 cancel b to the power of minus 3. Next see here 4 to the power of minus 3 into a to the power of minus 12 divided by 3 to the power of minus 3 into b to the power of minus 3. Next see here I explained 3 to the power of minus 3 it will go numerator minus 3 will become plus 3, that's why 3 to the power of 3 into next b to the power of minus 3 also it will go numerator b to the power of plus 3. Next see here a to the power of minus 12 same divided by 4 to the power of minus 3 it will come denominator 4 to the power of 3. Next that equal to see here 3 cube you can write 3 into 3 3 3 ja 9 9 3 ja 27 divided by 4 4 ja 16 16 4 ja 64, so 27 divided by 64 into a to the power of minus 12 b cube is the same, so the answer is 27 divided by 64 into a to the power of minus 12 into b cube is the answer. Thank you students.